Today I'm diving deep into one of the coolest frontiers in tech robots that see, computer vision-powered robots. Imagine a machine not just following a set of instructions, but actually seeing the world, understanding it, and making decisions on the fly. That's not sci-fi, that's happening right now. So, what is computer vision in robotics? Think of it as giving robots a pair of superpowered eyes, plus a brain that can make sense of what it sees. These robots use cameras, 3D sensors, or even depth perception tech to capture images and video in real time. But it's not just about seeing, it's about understanding. The data flows into the robot's AI, which uses computer vision algorithms to process everything. Let me break down how it works. First, the robot gets a visual input, say, a conveyor belt full of different objects. Its perception system takes that raw footage and starts crunching the data. The AI then kicks in, figuring out what each item is, where it's located, if it's tilted, or if something's out of place. Based on this understanding, the robot decides what to do next. Maybe pick up a part, avoid an obstacle, or check for defects. Finally, it takes action, moving with amazing precision, guided by what it just saw. Now, what does this actually let robots do? For starters, object recognition and manipulation. These machines can grab just about anything, even stuff that's oddly shaped or super delicate. Navigation and obstacle avoidance, absolutely. They move around busy warehouses, crowded factory floors, or even hospitals, dodging people and other robots like pros. Quality inspection is huge too. Imagine a robot spotting tiny defects in products, way faster and more accurately than the human eye. Some robots even work right alongside people, understanding our movements and keeping things safe for everyone. And with localization and mapping, they build real-time maps of their surroundings, always knowing exactly where they are. So, where is all this being used? Honestly, almost everywhere. In manufacturing, robots assemble complex gadgets, weld parts, and check product quality at lightning speed. In logistics and warehousing, autonomous mobile robots zip around picking and packing orders or tracking inventory. Healthcare, robots assist in surgery, deliver medication, and even automate lab work. Agriculture's getting a makeover too. Robots harvest fruit, weed fields, and monitor crop health. They're also exploring extreme environments like deep underwater or even in space where sending humans would be risky. And hey, in the service industry, you might see robots cleaning hotel rooms, delivering food, or even helping out at the front desk. Now let's talk benefits. First up, precision. These robots work with superhuman accuracy and consistency. Flexibility, they adapt to new tasks and environments way better than old-school automation. They boost safety by taking over dangerous or repetitive jobs, crank up efficiency since they never need a coffee break, and collect tons of data to help businesses get better over time. But it's not all smooth sailing. The tech comes with a price tag. Advanced robots, vision systems, and AI software aren't cheap. Integration and maintenance require some serious expertise. Sometimes tricky lighting or cluttered scenes can throw off their performance. Training their AI models also needs massive, diverse data sets. And of course, there are big questions about safety, ethics, and how these robots might impact jobs. Here's the bottom line. Computer vision-powered robots are already transforming industries and changing what's possible in automation. Sure, there are challenges, but each breakthrough brings us closer to a future where robots don't just work for us, they work with us. So, what's the most exciting application of computer vision in robotics to you? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and if you want more deep dives into tech's wildest frontiers, don't forget to like and subscribe to SkySolution. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.